Hello and welcome back to TUBICON. In this video, we're going to be giving you a brief demonstration on how the microphone mode would work. So this is very useful if you're using multiple cameras and you need a microphone. So what you can do is you can actually use another mobile phone to put in your pocket or anywhere to use for an actual microphone to sync up with your cameras. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do that. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Studio. So I'm going to click on Studio and I'm going to start my instance over here. And while I start my instance, I'm just going to bring up the mobile app. So what we've got to do is we've got to open our app on our phone. What's really great about this is as well is you can put your phone on lock while it's in your pocket, for example, and it'll actually still record, which is actually a fantastic feature. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your app on your mobile device. I'm using an iPhone 7 in this instance. So now I'm going to log in. So right, what you'll see is, and for this purpose, I'm just showing you the screen that we're moving on to here. So what I'm first going to do is I'm going to switch to my microphone mode, and that I do in settings. So I click settings and I just click on where it says mode and I click onto microphone. And then I exit that and then I'll have my microphone ready and for use right in front of me. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my microphone. And as you can see, that will appear in this area over here. Right, so what you can do with this, as I mentioned, is you can now turn on some of your other cameras that you're using and use this phone that you have here solely for a microphone purpose for your filming or your broadcast. And then obviously, like we've said before, we can record that, we can stream it live to Facebook, we can create a live broadcast through a website using a CDN. So you can do various things with the microphone mode. If you're not sure how we got to this microphone mode, please, I urge you to go and have a look at some of our other tutorials on our YouTube page as well as our website. Anything else you need, please don't hesitate to contact us at TUBICON. I hope you have a great day.